Okay.
Hi guys, today we are going to show you how we add banner advertisements to our application from the backend. And on the front end, we'll be showing it on the website. However, the same effect happens on the mobile application as well. For the purpose of the demonstration, we are keeping it on the mobile web so that you have a easy navigation of output. So today we'll go to the advertisement bar. Let's click on advertisement bar. So as soon as you click on advertisement bar, you see two options: add advertisement and edit advertisement. In the add advertisement bar, you have multiple options respectively towards the advertisement that we are going to show on the homepage banner. So let's say we are going to add a home decor banner. So we'll select the file. Let's say we are adding it on the web page. Okay. And we'll click on uh, uh, we'll select the exhibitor. So we have given an easy access for all the exhibitors listed below. So you don't have to worry about going and searching an exhibitor. Just go and click on the exhibitor who has paid you money for advertising on your application and click on the refer ID. So here we are going to click on Sid Home Decor. So as soon as you click on Sid Home Decor, it auto populates the link exhibitor name and link exhibitor ID automatically. Uh, yes, you can just highlight it where it has uh, selected yes. So as soon as he clicks on refer ID and you scroll up, you can see Sid Chavan has, yes, you can just move your cursor also so that people are aware where the data is coming. Yeah. So here you can see Sid Chavan is the exhibitor name and the link exhibitor ID has been automatically selected. And you can choose to add a web advertisement or a mobile advertisement. So by clicking on the option of add advertisement, yeah, so home decor is the banner ad that they have provided. Similarly, the same banner ad can be used for mobile app as well. And you can click on add advertisement. As soon as you click on add advertisement, a banner advertisement has been added successfully. So we'll go to the web page, mobile web. Yeah. So here there were three banner ads earlier. Now it should have four banner ads. So this is the second one, third one, and this is the fourth one. Yes, home furnishings. This was added by us. Now let's do one more run of adding another banner ad. So yes, we can go back to the admin panel. Let's select Clover Clothing. So he will click on refer ID, Clover Clothing. Yeah. So as soon as he clicked on Clover Clothing, the data has been pre-populated and now he can select the banner image provided by Clover Clothing. The reason why we are selecting the exhibitor name and ID is to allow whenever somebody clicks on that banner ad, he will be taken to the exhibitor's page, which is in this case Clover Clothing's homepage. Uh, so as soon as he has uploaded the banners, as soon as you can click add advertisement, click on add advertisement. Yeah. So one more banner advertisement has been added successfully. We'll go back to the yes mobile web. So now earlier you had four ads. Now as soon as we refresh, click on refresh, you will have five banner ads now. So this is the first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one, which we recently added. So again, we have multiple options of editing this banner ads as well. Also, in this current scenario, we have taken only image as banner ads, but we can also add videos to this similarly. Yes, we can go to edit advertisement. Okay, and so here you can see all the advertisements which are active and inactive. So let's say you want to deactivate the last one that we had actually added. So let's say Monica Geller's Clover Clothing's advertisement budget has been finished. So you just click on inactivate and you can go back on the mobile web view. So here we had earlier 5 images. Now as soon as we click on refresh, it will again go back to 4 images for banner ads. So here first, second, third, and fourth. And as again, it will loop back to the first one. So that's that. And here from the edit page also, you can change the banner ads. So in case after a campaign has been run for a couple of days and your uh, advertiser comes back to you and tells you that they want to change the banner ad, you can click on the pencil button easily, or you can even delete the banner ads once the campaign has been completely successfully finished. You can also delete them, and that's about it. uh, Thank you for your time, and looking forward to doing business with you. If you have any requirements for mobile app and mobile web kind of applications, we are the best in the business. Thank you.